Niggas acting tough, running up, then I'ma lay him down like Tupac. Dress a nigga up like a new style. Out for a year, nigga, with a trial. What about a bitch of cop, but she has to mouth. If he say what he saw, we gon' cut his down. Nigga, I'll be danced. If a nigga think he finna take me out, this shit ain't sweet. Nigga ain't going out back, I'm blowing out. We at his crib every day of the week. Mental was nice, I couldn't even sleep. Boy, outside, niggas couldn't even eat. I'm 16 with a coming 15, motherfuckers gotta die, and it ain't gon' be me. Shit soft, sit down. He was just playing tough, he gon' run out. All these bitch ass niggas tellin' Willie, start taking fun out. I'm the type of nigga go to church with my gun out. Gotta pray for my gun, he gets too wild. I'm the first name they say in the shootout. Gotta test him like it's getting too crowded. Oh, you back? Fuck you, shit you gon' do now. My little bitch want a new body. My bullets stuck get you face like a Bugatti. I'm going Scotty like Dwight. You getting shot up, you too cocky.